First, open Settings. Click on the Start menu or go to the taskbar and select Settings. Next, go to Devices. Scroll down a bit and click on More Bluetooth options. In the new window, uncheck the option that says, Alert me when a new Bluetooth device wants to connect. Click Apply, then OK to save the changes. Now try reconnecting your Bluetooth device and see if it works. Method 2. Use Control Panel. 1. Open the Control Panel. You can do this by searching for Control Panel in the Start menu. Then click on Devices and Printers. Look for your Bluetooth device, for example, your earbuds. If it's not showing up, click Add a Device and make sure your earbuds are in pairing mode. Once added, right-click on the device and select Properties. If there's an option for services, enable all of them. If you don't see this tab, check the Hardware tab for similar settings. After making these changes, try connecting your Bluetooth device again. And that's it. These methods should help you fix the Bluetooth device paired but not connected issue on Windows 11 or 10.